This meeting is being recorded.
Hello everyone, this is Coach Carole. Today I am in my transcript at Basecamp to find the level completion certificates to download and print. I've already logged in, as you can see, and I am in my previously completed path called Effective Coaching. You can see the 100% completion mark over here. I have clicked on level 1 and I can see the certificate access icon at the bottom. I had previously gone through all of the projects, completed my speeches, and have the level approved. Now I want to view each of the certificates and collate them together in my own folders. So to access the certificate, I will click on this icon, View Certificate. In my Google browser system, this will open up a fresh tab to show the certificate. As you can see, this is an earlier one that was issued in July of this year. To download that to my system, I would point to the top of the screen to find the download icon, or I could print it directly from the print icon. Today I will download into my folder system, which I have been collating. So I need to go back along my breadcrumbs to find the correct folder for level 1 in Effective Coaching. And then I can save it. I can do that for each of the other levels, just clicking into the level, viewing the certificate, and downloading it to the folder in which I wish to store it. Or I may wish to store those certificates into my ePortfolio at Basecamp. A good thing to do is to print your certificate and bring it along to a meeting so that it can be presented to you in a more formal manner to acknowledge your level completions. That's all for today. I'll be back later with more.